All right. What's up, H Squad? It's your girl Heather. I'm back for another video, baby. And today, I'm revisiting my Panda Express. I'm on my lunch break right now, so I am taking a little break. As you can see, I'm in my home office. This is where I do my work for today at the computer desk. And I'm here, I'm on my lunch break, so your girl's hungry, so I decided to do a little video for you guys. And since I love Chinese food, I decided to get some Panda Express, guys. So what I decided to get today is some orange chicken. Look at that. Yeah. Looks really good, guys. And this is some fried rice. And this is some capo or capon or something. I'll get the right name for you guys. But this is with some red peppers, some fried rice, baby. And this is about to be real good. So I'm gonna just dig right in because this is my lunch break again, and I don't have a lot of time, but yeah, I'm just gonna put this all together and I'm about to dig in. So it is Friday, guys. I'm gonna set that there so y'all can see it. Maybe I'll do another little thumbnail so y'all can see it. Alright, guys, so that might use for my thumbnail, but anyway, I just wanted to come in here today, say hi to my HY family. It's Friday. It's January 25th, or excuse me, 24th. My daughter's birthday's in 2 days. My oldest, she'll be 24 years old. So I'm excited, you know, we're about to have some family time and do something with my baby girl. Forgive the robe, because since I do work at home a lot of the times, I just sit in here in my dining room and I just have my robe on. And I don't do too much more than that, you know, because I don't have to get dressed for real. You know, I just put on some loungewear for the day and I just do my work. So let's just get right into it because your girl is starving. That's about to be my first bite, but don't it look good, guys? Spicy, but it is delicious. Definitely delicious. And try this orange chicken with this fried rice, but it looks really good. You guys want some? You want some? Look at me spilling it, guys. Look. This is good. Really good. Definitely good. So I hope everybody is having a good week, good weekend coming up. What you guys plan for the weekend? Me, I'm not doing much. I'm getting my grandson this weekend. My grandson from marriage. He's 2 years old, and he's going to spend the weekend with me and my husband. But besides that, and celebrate my oldest's birthday this weekend, I don't really got no plans. But look at that. This is, I'm so hungry, guys. I have not eaten all day long. And when I tell y'all this food is right on time, it is right on time. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, I'm spilling it. My dogs will eat it. Oh, my room boy will pick it up. But look at that chicken, y'all. Yes. That's good. That's real good. If you guys got a Panda Express in your city, it's definitely a must try. It's definitely a must try. I really enjoy their food. I don't eat a lot of takeout often. I like to cook, but this right here, this is one of my favorites. So I will every time get some of this. peppers and vegetables. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Got a little pepper in here. And I like spicy, so I'm gonna definitely eat it. But let me be back so y'all can see your girl. See your girl. But yeah. It's really, really, really good. So I hope everybody's having a good New Year. Mine has been definitely great. I feel like I'm on track with my goals, my vision board. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm in a really good place right now. Starting off the year, I'm happy. You know, definitely blessed. I'm definitely blessed. And I really feel like right now, this month, at this time in my life, you know, I got a lot of stuff going on, but it's a lot of positive stuff. You know, I got a couple business ventures ahead of us this year for 2020 for me and my family. And I'm so, so excited to like get this thing going, get it started. So everybody can like kind of see, you know, where we at when it comes to certain things, when it comes to the business front. You know, guys, we about to step out on faith this year and we about to get that thing rolling. Red pepper. Good. Whew. It is definitely a little spicy. This is spicy. Got my water. And don't worry, guys, I do have faith, so I did pray over my meal before I got started. But I always thank God for everything that I have, my food, my life, my family, my employment. You know, I'm grateful. I am grateful because I know without the man above, I wouldn't have a lot of things, so. Sorry, I'm not doing a lot of talking, guys. I'm on my lunch break. Excuse me. So I really want to try to get this little mukbang done before I have to go back to work. But I missed you guys, and I wanted to come in and say hello to you guys. And I definitely was craving this Chinese, and I was like, oh, what better way than just let me cut this camera on and get this little video cracking. You know, I missed you guys, so I just thought I'd come in here and say hello. For all my new subscribers, welcome to the H Squad family. I thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Thank you guys for supporting the craft, for all the creators for YouTube, guys, because it's hard. It's hard being a YouTuber, but I really just want to say thank you to everybody who's my new subscribers, my current subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for staying with the channel and watching my videos. I love communicating and talking with you guys and just being here. You know, I love what I do. I really do. I love what I do, so I love having you guys here. And if you haven't already done so, for the new people that's viewing, please hit the bell notification, the subscribe button. Share the video with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. It really, really would. Just share the video. And just hit that subscribe button. You know, become a part of the H Squad family. We would love to have you guys here. Definitely would love to have you guys. So far, look at that. This is good. This is good. Let me mixing everything up. Sometimes I keep it together, separate it rather, and then at other times I mix it up. Because I want all that juice up in there. All that juice. Alright guys, I just want to come and say thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining me for lunch today for my Panda Express mukbang. And again, guys, if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and please share the video with your friends and family. I would love to have you guys part of the H Squad family. And again, thank you all for tuning in and having lunch with me today. All right, guys, peace out. Back to work I go.